purchased for my son for Halloween this year. Great product. He won first place in costume contest. I definitely recommend. My 6-year-old loved this costume he picked out. We ordered he's in a size 6/7 and it fit perfect. Only issue was the mask was made to fit an adult, so we had to tie a knot in the back of it. My son wore it for the first time last night to a costume party. The material seems good, it seems like it should last a number of parties/trick-or-treating this year. As others have said, I aired out the mask and laid it out so the crease from the bag wasn't as pronounced. The other thing that someone had said, and I agree, is the chest piece falls off too easily. I will be stitching on some more Velcro before the next use. As for sizing, based on reviews I had ordered a size larger than he wears in length, and the legs and arms are a perfect fit, won't last to next year, except the mask.